Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the BLU View Speed 5G for Straight Talk Wireless. So this is a new budget smartphone for Straight Talk Wireless, a budget 5G smartphone at that, so that is really cool. So the BLU View Speed 5G is now here for $99.99 for retail price, or $417 a month for 24 months, which I suggest you guys just pay the full retail price for the phone, because it's not worth paying monthly for it, because this phone is very affordable. So yeah, it will be available in a black color. So this is the BLU View Speed right here. Very nice looking phone. You have your teardrop notch for your front facing camera there. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. And you have a little bit of a chin bezel there on the bottom of the phone, alright? Back of the BLU View Speed is dual camera setup. It looks like dual LED flash. Track phone, Straight Talk logo, blue logo, and your speaker down back, and it has like this interesting pattern on the back. It looks like it's like a two-tone color of what it looks like here. So it looks like it has like a textured back to it, so it should be good for grip and whatnot. And then left side of the phone has your micro SD and SIM card slot, alright? Introducing the BLU View Speed 5G, offering you blazing fast speed and connectivity. Enjoy your entertainment, videos, and pictures all in a crisp 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display, paired with 64 GB of expandable storage and 4 GB of RAM. This phone can handle everything. All your daily needs. Okay. So there is front, left side, and back. Very nice looking phone. Specs, of course, it has Android. I don't know what Android version this has. Probably Android 12, Android 13. I'm not really sure. You guys know what Android version the BLU View Speed has? Let me know in the comments, or I might put like a little note in the description box. Of course, it has 5G. Of course, that's the main selling point of this phone, that it has 5G for cheap. It has 5G LTE Wi-Fi. Dimensions are there. Display 6.5 inches, HD plus 20:9 aspect ratio. Infinity V notch display, 720 by 1600 pixels. Doesn't mention nothing about refresh rate, so don't be surprised if it's 60 Hz. Rear camera, you have 13 megapixel main camera. 5 megapixel. Alright, what the hell? Yeah, it's dual cameras on the back. It has a 5 megapixel front facing camera. It might have two 13 megapixel cameras on the back, I think. It's kind of hard to tell. I think it's two 13 megapixel cameras on the back, I think. 23 hours of battery, Bluetooth 5.1, MediaTek Dimensity 700 octa-core, 2.2 GHz processor, GPS, of course, and that compatibilities. Memory, 64 GB of internal storage, 4 GB of RAM, micro SD card slot up to 512 gigs. So take advantage of that. What comes in the box is your BLU View Speed 5G smartphone, USB cable, which I'm pretty sure it's Type C, and your quick start guide. I don't know if it comes with a charger or not. Don't be surprised if it don't come with a charger. So yeah. Features: it has 5G high-speed connectivity, 64 GB of internal memory, 4 GB of RAM, micro SD card slot up to 512 gigs, so take advantage of that. Camera, 13 megapixel main camera plus LED flash, 8 megapixel selfie camera. Alright, what the hell? Yeah, it has it says 8 megapixel camera here. It says 5 megapixel front facing camera in the specs section of this phone here. It has 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 8 to 11, AC, ABGN, Bluetooth 5.1. Dimensions are there. The processor, I just mentioned that earlier. MediaTek Dimensity 700 octa-core processor at 2.2 GHz, 6.5-inch HD plus display, 20:9 aspect ratio, Infinity B notch display, 720 by 1600 pixels, 4000 mAh battery, 10-watt fast quick charging, and Android 12. So not that bad for like a budget 5G phone. Not bad at all, you know. Well, it has Android 12, but Android 12 is now 2 versions behind that because Android 14 is now here. So Android 12 is 2 versions behind now, so it's up to you. If you guys want to get this phone, it's up to you. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The BLU View Speed 5G is now here at Straight Talk. Not bad for a budget 5G smartphone. For $100, you can't go wrong. I do like the specs on this phone for what it is. It's not bad. Budget smartphone. It's not a bad budget smartphone in terms of like specs and stuff. The phone does look very nice too. It has like a textured back to it, so it'd be good for grip. I do like the fact it has 5G, expandable storage, Type-C charging, and all that good and all that good stuff. The specs, they're kind of like confusing a little bit. So because when in one place it's saying in one place it's saying one thing, and then in the other place it's saying something else. So I will try to get the official specs for the BLU View Speed down in the description box if I can find them. So not bad for $100, especially with 5G. So definitely worth checking out. Not bad for a backup phone at least. So definitely worth checking out. It does look very nice in my opinion. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.